So in this lesson, let's go down to our sections. So we've got the article. So what I want to do is whenever I've got a section and I've got an article, or under class section and I have an article, I want to apply a semi-transparent background to it. So let's take a look at this, selecting out section, and now I've got the tag article. And let's apply some styling to that. So this is going to be really easy to do, where we just do background. And we could do background color. And we're going to use rgba. So rgba is red, green, black, or blue, red, green, blue, and alpha. And alpha gives us the ability to make this kind of transparency to the background. So any value all the way up to all the way from 0 to 1. So now we've got semi-transparent, and I'm actually going to change this to be white. And we can see here that it is changing on the right hand side. So maybe we want to make it even more visible. So maybe set it as an 8. So now we see that whenever we've got our text, it's more visible and being presented in a more visible fashion. So also, maybe we want to add in some padding around there. So that our text is more centered. And maybe we even want to go a touch bigger. So now we've got our more centered text there, presented a lot nicer. And of course, we do have our sections here that we can click through. So in the next lesson, we're going to look at how to make it responsive. So we noticed that whenever we're resizing, well, this menu at a certain point, it stacks underneath our logo, and that's not what we want. So we have two choices here, where we can either hide our logo and have this take up that entire space, or we can present the menu in a different format. And that's what we were looking at earlier, where we had that icon which we could click, and then that would open up the menu here, so nice and neatly just above the section areas. So that's what we're going to show you how to do in the upcoming lesson.